Do you like mashed potatoes? I'm over the moon about them. How about mock mashed potatoes? Now I've tried cauliflower mock mashed potatoes, but this time I'm trying lima beans. It's true, you can use lima beans to make mashed potatoes. I'm ready for a mock recipe. I'm ready for a mock recipe. Are you mocking me? I sure am. It's mock recipe time. Start cooking some lima beans. We need 2 cups. Lima beans are soft and ready. I'm adding 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a stick of softened butter, and half a cup of sour cream. Now it's time to add seasoning to your mashed potatoes. My Romanian friend said the best thing to put on mashed potatoes is vegeta. So she gave me some, and I'm gonna have to give it a try. Sprinkle some on top. Time to blend it. That's not working too well. Let's try doing it in the food processor. I present you mock mashed potatoes. They have a greenish tint, but how do they taste? Mock mashed potatoes. I'm curious if it tastes just like mashed potatoes. Let me close my eyes and find out. Certainly doesn't have the mashed potato texture or flavor. It does kind of taste like lima beans with a hint of sour cream as a back note. Will I try mock mashed potatoes again? Probably not. But I'm so thankful that you were able to watch me eat them so you don't have to make them. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen, and I'll see you next time. If you ever want to quit drinking, eat Twizzlers. They're not alcohol, but they're liquor-ish.